Hi everyone, welcome to this video. It is a tutorial about how to create your first own font in iPad. I am using the app Font Self. It is a really simple process. So first you need to click on the type of font you want to create. You can also choose a freestyle one to create your very own style. Now I am going to draw out the letters quickly. I'm not doing it perfect for the sake of this video, otherwise it will be very long. You can also choose the size and streamline of your pen and various other pencil styles like marker, pen, pencil. You can also add other language spots and all type of different characters and letters. Here you can choose all types of languages and categories and different glyph range like basis or extended. You can just really choose different types of brushes and pens. Just so simple and easy with this app. Now let's export our font file. I'm first going to name it. You can just choose your own very unique font name. I'm just typing handwriting. Save our font to files. Here I am already in Procreate, and now we will export our font in the Procreate app. And as you can see, our font is already there. Let's type of words, my first font or anything you like. And here you see only in 10 minutes you can already create your own font and export it in Procreate. It couldn't be more simpler. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials.